This is an initiative taken by the government to send a message to both Pakistan and to the world that terrorism will not be tolerated anymore, and any country that promotes terrorism will face the consequences. And this is a message that is being done through diplomacy, through groups of delegations of members of parliament who are visiting many countries now, to explain India's stand. That this is a fight against terrorism, which is a threat to most countries of the world. No, look, enough has been given by the government through the official spokespersons, from the Foreign Secretary in Delhi and from the representatives of the armed forces. So Operation Sindoor is well known now. But the message of Operation Sindoor needs to be understood by the rest of the world. That we are fighting against terrorism, and it is a problem that faces many countries in the world. Until now, we were passive. Now we are giving the message that there is a punishment for terrorism, and we have demonstrated that terrorism can be punished without provoking larger war or anything. So that is the message. The message was against terrorism, and the message was effectively delivered by India through Operation Sindoor. Diplomatically, you see, everything is seamless. The armed forces are acting, the government of India, the Ministry of External Affairs, they are all working together. Operation Sindoor is an integrated operation, an operation where so many have cooperated. And what is notable is the precision with which the message was conveyed to Pakistan. I don't think we should take these quick conclusions so soon after the operation has taken place. Our diplomacy is working. The countries understand the importance of the threat of terrorism. 9/11 showed it. 26/11, we have suffered the most through cross-border terrorism. The world understands. The United Nations keeps a list of international terrorists. So it is not as if countries are not cooperating. But now, nobody wants to talk about conflict. I think everybody is talking about peace. And everybody understands that India has given a message, and that message has been received. I've been ambassador in the United States, so let me give you my advice. Do not make conclusions from what President Trump says. The conclusion should be evident from what the US government does. And today, India is negotiating a trade agreement with the United States. And I think it is going to be fair, and it is going to be good for India and the United States. So we are hopeful. No, you must read the facts. The facts are that the Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan made a phone call to the Director General of Military Operations of India and asked for a ceasefire, and India agreed. It was entirely between Pakistan and India. It was not mediation. A lot of countries wanted to help, and I think we are grateful. But it was a bilateral issue. India does not accept mediation. And it is a fact that the ceasefire took place after discussions between Pakistan and India.